Hey, what's up, guys? Manufacturer sent me this really cool smartwatch for free so I could test it out. So first, I'm just going to take it out of the box and show you what it looks like, and then I'll get it all set up and show you the features of it and let you know everything that I see and what I think about it. Okay, so you see it comes in this box that's in a sleeve. I have some information stuff in here I'll look at in a minute. Another cover on top of the actual watch itself here. So your band, and here's a metal band that's wrapped up in plastic so it doesn't get scratched. This one was a rubber band. Pins to actually attach the band to the watch face, which is right here. That's a really cool looking watch. I like it. It looks really nice. I like that. Here's the charging cable it comes with, and this is the actual tool that's used to take out pins of the watch if you need to adjust the size down. So it comes with everything you need to get started. So like I said, I'm going to check out the features and then show them to you. I want to give you guys a real up close look at everything. I went ahead and put on the rubber sports band, which is really easy to do. So I'll flip this and you can see it has these pins right here. So super easy. You just kind of push the pin to unlock it. When you want to put the band back on, same thing. You just get the pin lined up, push that down, and then you can slide it to lock it in place. And then you can see the metal band does not have the pins pre-installed on them. They come with this packet of pins. So same thing, I won't change that band, but then for the metal band, you'll see it also comes with this tool to help you change out your links. So you'll just take this tool, line it up, and then twist it, and it will press those pins out of there to remove links. Reading through the manual, notice that the manufacturer said that if you have like bigger wrists and need more, just to contact them and they'll send them to you. So that's pretty cool. Then it comes with the lint-free cloth and wipes to clean the face. Here's your charging spot. I'll just show you some of the features here. Swipe through and see your steps. It gives you water recommendations, sedentary reminders if you sit too long, tracks your sleep, weather, music, all these things. And then it has custom, you can add things on here. And swipe that way for messages. And then here you can see all these different things to control different features here. So that's really cool. Now I'm just going to show you the setup here. It was pretty simple. Let's go to the app. It's the iCloud Pro app. And I did create an account already, but I'm just going to show you to view as guest. You'll go in and you'll enter your height, and you'll see right now it starts off in metric. You can change that after you get logged in and everything. So you have to use a conversion at first, but put your picture, your height, your weight, next step, and based on height and weight recommendations, it tells you the recommended amount of steps. But you can set your goals if you want to. Connect your Bluetooth. I'll skip that part for now. And then you get into all the features here. It has your step tracker, workout records, your sleep monitor, so all of your stats here. So that's really nice. And then you can go to your device, and it has all of the device settings that you can change to. So you have the wallet and all your cards, your notifications, alarms. You can do your sedentary reminders, like I mentioned earlier, your water drink reminders, weather report. So many features on here. Thought it was cool. It had a shake to take photo on here too. So if you turn that on while you're wearing the watch, you like shake your wrist, it'll take a picture. And then it has things in here. So you go to me and you can see your goal and your units. If you wanted to change it from metric to standard, you can do that. So lots of really cool things on here. Been using the app now for about a week or so, and I think it does a really good job at tracking everything. It looks really nice. So I think it's a really cool product.